Should I be a listing agent or should I be a buyer specialist? You know, they always say list to last, listings are the name of the game. You know, that's true. It's an inventory business. If you had every listing in your zip code, what percentage of the sales would you participate in? It'd be 100%. But it's more important than that. If, by the way, I coach a lot of people who want to be buyer agents only, they don't like listings, that's fine, no problem. We have a different program for them. But the listing agent is God, and the buyer agent is the zit on the gnat's butt of real estate. And you will know that when I have a listing and your buyer is in love with it, and then I tell you, you know, there's 4 other offers on my listing, and at that minute you will know I am God. And you will be sucking up to me and begging me for mercy and doing all that. So what I would like to have you do is have the feeling I had when I was a fearless agent in real estate. Focus on listings. If the money was the same and you could only do listings or only do buyers, which would you prefer? Most people say listings, but they do what causes buyer business to happen. So if you're going to focus on listings and be the listing agent that is God, then, and that's metaphorically speaking, because there is a real God and that's not you, obviously, or me. But I want you to earn your full worth in real estate. I want you to get rich selling real estate. I want to make you a fearless agent. You can call my number down here. If any of what I say makes sense to you, go to fearlessagent.com, watch all our free training videos. That'll be better coaching for free than any of the other coaches charge you any amount of money for. You can call me anytime because I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.